Right, and here we are again with Mass Traffic Attack Video 12 with me, Paul Power. And in this one I want to discuss the kind of software out there that can help you writing your articles. Now, as with most things, article marketing is no different really. There is software out there that can help you, and pretty much broadly speaking, you can put it into two categories. The first category is article spinners, and the other one is article directory submitters. Now, at the moment there are a lot of wild claims that article spinners can spin your articles into hundreds of readable articles in seconds. Sadly, that really is a load of horse hockey, and to be honest, I've not yet seen a program that can do this, because I really would have paid nearly any price for it. My attitude is, if somebody out there can make a good software article spinner that does do what it says, then I'd be willing to pay up to $1,000 for it. That is how good that someone could do it. But having said that, there really are article spinners out there that cannot create content at the click of a mouse, but can help you rewrite your content. Now, this is done really by simply replacing words with one or more that mean the same thing, and all these are called synonyms. Now, I've personally tried a few of these, and while they work to an extent, you usually have to load a database of synonyms in order to get it to work properly. So really, in other words, there's quite a large learning curve with them. Personally speaking, I would never use an article spinner, as I think it's quicker to do it manually. However, there is one set of circumstances where a content spinner really could be useful. Say if you wanted to submit several slightly different versions of one article to a lot of article directories. Now, there's a lot of conflicting reports that if you submit your identical content to over 100 directories, you can avoid the Google duplicate content policy, or the Google slap. Other respected marketers say that Google will hit you hard for duplicate content. Now, personally, I've never had this problem, as I only really submit to no more than 4 directories. And if I'm not happy with the traffic I'm getting, then I submit to another 10 or 20. My advice there really is just monitor the amount of traffic your article gets, and if required, submit your article to a few more sites. Now, article directory submitters are used for submitting to a lot of article directories simultaneously. Now, if like me you're only submitting to maybe 1 or 2 directories, or 3 or 4, then filling out the forms really doesn't take up a lot of your time. However, if you're submitting to 100 at a time, this would take pretty much several hours of copying and pasting the information, which is a bit of a drag. Now, this is where an article submitter would be very, very handy to have, because once you've created your username and password, you then create an account with various article directories. That way, all you've got to do is copy and paste your article into your software, click the submit button, and this will save you a ton of time, because the software itself will submit your article to the article directories. Now, this is very recommended if you are planning on submitting a lot of articles to a lot of article directories. Okay, that covers that. I hope to see you in the next video.